Greetings to one and all. Just a few words of what stem cell therapy in IVF means and what benefit it does in assisted reproductive techniques. See, stem cells are those cells that are totipotent and they can be impregnated to reciprocate any tissue of the human body. So these cells can be derived in plenty from the cord blood during the delivery of a female, or these can be extracted from the peripheral blood or from the bone marrow. These cells, when cultured and grown, they replicate the organ that has to be reproduced again, so they can be cloned to any necessity required. So in assisted reproductive techniques, the stem cell therapy plays a very important role for us in those who have very thin endometrium, contributing to implantation failure of these females. So even in case of any absence of endometrium, endometrial hypoplasia, or any endometrial adhesions that had led to implantation failure, stem cell therapy plays a very important role. There may be a requirement to take a single or a double sitting of stem cell therapy, wherein the stem cells are taken and they are injected through a catheter into the endometrium of the female who has been found to have a very thin endometrium, contributing to the issue. So following this injection, the endometrium in vivo starts replicating and growing, and there is a difference that can be visualized by ultrasound 2 to 3 months following the therapy. Most of the females do respond to single sitting of stem cell therapy, and there are few patients who might require 2 sittings of stem cell therapy to benefit from this. So this contributes to the majority of the patients who have endometrial hypoplasia as a reason for not conceiving and who have implantation failure. There have been lots of patients who have underwent assisted reproductive techniques and still have their embryos in the incubator as they don't grow the endometrium well for having transfer of these embryos inside their womb. So for these patients, I think we are still unaware of all the recent treatments available and about the stem cell therapy. And once they are aware about the stem cell therapy, I think this would help them a lot to be benefited by early treatment and transfer of their embryos. These are the very essential highlights which I have been speaking about stem cell therapy. And in depth, if you are interested to know as to what this means, what it concerns, and what would be the cost involved, I think you can get back to us in our emails or through our YouTubes. You can see our website and get back to us for further clarifications and the doubts you have. Thank you.